Hello, you're welcome back. Let's solve this question. How do you solve this question? The question says triangle PQR has sides. Let's first sketch the triangle. Let's draw the triangle. Let's say this is our triangle. Let's say we have P, Q, and R. And the question says triangle PQR has sides PQ to be equal to 7 centimeter. PQ is 7 centimeter. Okay. QR is 9 centimeter. QR is 9 centimeter. And then angle PQR is 60 degrees. Angle PQR, this is the angle. It is 60 degrees. So we are to find the length of side PR. We are to find this side PR. So this is obviously not a SOHCAHTOA question, and it is also not a sign question, because for sign um you need two angles to look for a side, but here we are given one angle, so we cannot use sine. That means we'll be using the cosine rule. And what does the cosine rule says? The cosine rule says a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. So here now, let this side that we are looking for, let it be our A. Let's just assume it is A so that we can get it easily. Let's say this is A, this is A. That means this will be cos A. Okay, let's even use the alphabet, the given alphabet. Let's use the given alphabet. So this side will be Q, it is opposite side Q. This side will be P, it is opposite angle P, and this side will be R, it is opposite angle R. So that means our equation will be having something like this: Q squared equals P squared plus R squared minus 2PR cos Q. Do you need personalized help? Click the link in the description to message me directly. So now, what is Q? Q square is what we are looking for. So Q square will be equal to, what is P? That's 9. 9 square plus 7 square minus 2 times 9 times 7, then times cos 60 degrees. Then we solve further so that we have Q square to be equal to 81 plus 49, then minus 2 times 9 times 7 will give 126, then times cos 60 is 0.5. So 81 plus 49 will give 130, then we have minus 63. That is Q square. So Q now will be equal to the square root of 130 minus 63 will give 67. That means Q will be equal to 8.1 centimeter. And since we were given these ones as whole number, the other sides as whole number, so we can also leave side Q as a whole number. So that means Q will be equal to 8 centimeter. And that is how to solve this one. That is how to solve it. So let's take a second question. So this question says find the area of triangle LMN. Let's first draw our triangle. Let's first draw triangle LMN. Let's say this is triangle LMN. Okay, the question says LM is 12 centimeter. LM, this is LM, 12 centimeter. Good. MN is 10 centimeter. MN, 10 centimeter. Good. And angle L is 30 degrees. This is angle L. Angle L is 30 degrees. What is the question. Find the area of LMN. So when we have something like this, the area of a triangle has a formula. So in this case, the area of a triangle here using the sign will be area equals half AB sine C. When it has to do with sine, this is the formula for sine for calculating the area of a triangle. Half AB times C. So half AB sine C. So this is, since this is the side that we are, the angle that we were given now, that means this will be representing the C, and these two sides will be AB. So that means the area will be half times 12 times 10, then times sine 30. So 12 times 10 is 2 will go here 1, 2 will go here 6. So that means 6 times 10. So we would have 60 times, what is sine 30? Sine 30 is 0.5. So 60 times 0.5 is 30, and since we're calculating area, the area will be 30. What is the given unit? The unit is in centimeter. So the area is 30 centimeter square. Don't make a mistake by saying 30 degrees. Is not an angle we are calculating. We are calculating the area. So when you are leaving your answer, leave it with the right unit. Use the correct unit for your answer. So that will be 30 centimeter square. And that is how to solve this type of question. If you have any question, leave it in the comments and I will bring the solution your way. That's it for today. If you learned something new, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and drop your answers or thoughts in the comments. Remember, math gets easier the more you see it and say it. See you in the next video.